Hi students, welcome back to my channel Atom Bio 360. So we discussing about reproductive health. In that, in last class we discussed about oral pills and the injections. So now we will discuss about implants. So implants, it is like a small matchstick like structures. It is inserted under the skin with the help of small incision only. So the implants is present in the body for long time, up to 5 years, and slowly it will releases hormones into the blood. So mostly progesterone hormone present in the implants. So the progesterone hormone or synthetic progesterone hormone. So slowly it is released into the blood every day up to the 5 years. So the progesterone levels increased in the body. So because of that, it can prevent the ovulation. So these implants. So the implants contains progesterone or combination. Like progesterone implants is present, and progesterone and estrogen combination implants is also available. So it is effective for longer periods. So longer periods means up to 5 years also the implants can prevent the ovulation in the females. Okay, so it is how it is injected into the body. So the implants fixed in the body subdermally. Subdermally means the implants is fixed through the skin. Okay, so Norplant. So this is the brand name. So brand name of the implant, that is called Norplant. So this it contains a progestin device. Progestin device means Norplant contains progesterone hormone. So the progesterone hormone slowly released into the blood every day up to 5 years. So it can prevent the ovulation and fertilization. So it having a 6 permeable capsules. So 6 permeable capsules is present. It is appear like a matchsticks. So matchsticks means like if you see the progesterone implants is present like this. So 6 matchsticks like that structures. So like this. So it is present very small. So the size is millimeters. So the size of this capsules is 34 millimeters into 2.4 millimeters. So means length of the capsule is 34 millimeters and width of the capsule is 2.4 millimeters. Okay. So then each one contains 36 mg of the levonorgestrel. So levonorgestrel. So this is the synthetic progesterone. So each one contains 36 mg of levonorgestrel. So it is slowly released into the blood and it can increase as the hormonal levels in the blood. So it is inserted like a fan shaped manner. See, this is the 6 matchstick like structures is there. So it will appear like a fan. So how these fingers is appear? Like a fan. So 5 fingers is present. Instead of that, one more, 6 fingers. So it is appearing like a fan. Like that it is injected under the skin like a fan like manner. So then when it is inserted, so where it is inserted? So in the upper arm, otherwise forearm. So it is inserted in the upper arm, otherwise forearm. Okay, so with small incision. Okay, so big surgeries is not required. So they will create small incision in the skin and they will fix inside, then they will cover the skin. So that is, it is fixed in the body with the help of this small incision. So it is effective up to maximum 5 years. So the implants is effective up to the maximum 5 years. So this is about Norplant. So this is very famous. Okay, more effective also. So and another one is Implanon. So this is the another brand of the implant. So the size of the implant is, that is 40 millimeters into 2 millimeters. Means length of the capsule is 40 millimeters and the width or diameter of the capsule is 2 millimeters. So the implant is completely, it is rod-like structure. So it is, the implanon is like a single rod-like structure. So it is fixed inside the skin with wide-bored needle. So wide-bored needle means big needle is required for fixing this implant under the skin. So it will release as 60, it contains 60 mg of 3-keto disogestrel. 60 mg of 3-keto disogestrel. So this it is also synthetic hormone. It is present in the this Implanon. So Implanon brand implant. So effectiveness is 3 years. So which one having a more effectiveness? So longer effectiveness. Which one having a longer effectiveness? Norplant having a more effective, and it is very famous also. So Implanon also effective. So but maximum effective duration of the Implanon is only 3 years. So this is about implants. So implants, when it is fixed in the body subdermally, the implants daily they will releases the hormones into the blood. So the hormonal levels is increased in the blood, they will inhibits the production of the gonadotrophic releasing hormone. Because of that, ovulation also prevented. Okay, fertilization also they can prevent. Okay, so mucous membrane, mucus, it will become more thick and unscanty because of implants. Okay, so because sperms also difficult to enter into the cervical region. Again, endometrium also changed, endometrial lining also altered, and again ovulation also prevented. So the implants is more effective contraceptive devices. So this is about implants. And failure rate also very less in implants. Okay, so this is about implants. So if you have any doubts, comment in the comment section. If you like the video, click the like button, subscribe my channel, and share this video to your friends also. So thank you very much for watching my channel. All the best. We will meet in the next video.